Hello friends, this is Rizwan, and in this video I will create this beautiful website with the help of HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. One header of this website is showing on the screen, one logo image, this menu tabs with beautiful hover effects, and one button on this header with beautiful hover effect you can see. And this is my banner of this website. This image I will use on the background of this banner, and this text on the right side of the banner. This is the another image, counter image, okay, and this is my button with beautiful hover effects. Okay guys, so move to the next section of this website. You can see this is my another heading, our popular courses. This is another row, and in this row I will create 3 columns. This is one, this is second column, and this is the third column. In this column I will use this image, and this is the heading, basic bodybuilding, okay, and this is the price. Some message of this column and one button include in this column, or you can see this card. Okay, this is the another card, and this is my third card of this section. So you can move to the another section of this website. One image I will use on the left side, and this beautiful table I will create step by step for you, this beautiful table. Okay, so this is the heading, get your schedule, and some message and the table. Okay guys, and this is my another section, gallery photos. So you can see this beautiful section. I will use these images, and this is 4 images set in this section. Okay, so I will use, and this is the another section. In this section I will use one background image, one heading, many more features are waiting. This is the message, and this is my button with beautiful hover effect. Okay guys, and this text are the center in this section. Okay guys, so move to the next section. One image I will use on the right side of this section, and this is the text. This is heading, we are FitFlows, a dedicated fitness center since 2004. This is the heading of this section, and some message I will use on the left side of this section. So move to the another section of this website, what customers says about us. This is the testimonial section. Okay, so you can see this card with beautiful hover effects. Okay, I will use one image and the name, okay, and the profession and some message. This beautiful card with beautiful hover effect, you can see. I will create this beautiful card step by step, and this is the footer of my website. Contact us, this is my one column, this is the second column, and the third column, newsletter, some message, and this input field. Okay, so in this input field I will use this button, okay, and change the input field background color, and this button I will use position set in this input field. So I will create this beautiful website step by step for you. Okay guys, so go to the Visual Studio Code and create this beautiful website. So let's go to the Visual Studio Code. Okay guys,